Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Gemini not generating image. All right, so let's begin with the video. This method works on both iPhone and Android. If you try to request an image and Gemini does not generate one, there are a few things you can do to fix it. First, open the Gemini app on your device and tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select the Settings option. Inside the settings, look for Interrupt Live Responses and make sure this option is turned on. Enabling this setting helps ensure that Gemini can function properly, especially for features like image generation. If the issue still isn't resolved, the next step is to check your device's app permissions. Go to your phone's settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, search for and open Gemini. Once you're inside the app settings, make sure all the necessary permissions, such as storage, camera, etc., are enabled. Allowing these permissions ensures that the app can work without any restrictions. After completing these steps, Gemini should function correctly without issues while generating images. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Gemini not generating image. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.